Okay guys, back again in my channel, my Industri. Okay, this time we are in Surabaya. The Sunggut Industri Street. We are checking a Cokro Bluder. Soul distributor. The places simple, but in the strategic places near the airport, which is what we sell, what they sell. Another from Cokro, there's another snacks. And this is what we buy. Cokro Bluder Kumpul. You can see the ingredients here and information of ingredients and the boxes from the website. This is the size of the Bluder. Each with different tastes, different inside. Any peanuts, cheese, chocolate, and many things. Thank you for watching.